So, what's my impression of these earbuds? Besides the fact that I'm getting ear cooties all over them. Well, the sound quality on this mic right here that I have is 10 times better. But I mean, for 20 bucks, yeah, not bad. I'm guessing I could use these while I'm outdoors. And, you know, Walmart, 20 bucks for a set of Groove On earbuds. Not bad. 20 hours of playtime. So I can talk to you guys for 20 hours. Anyway, I'm going to test these out and make a video and just upload it. So that's it. That's it for now, this one.